Hey everyone, welcome. Today I'm taking you inside a truly special place right here in beautiful Bali. Wow, take a look at this. It's a stunning seashell bra, carefully handcrafted with intricate crochet ties. So delicate, so one of a kind. But guess what? It's not your typical workshop. It's actually just a small, humble home. But what's created here is absolutely magical. Now, take a look at these raw shells. Oh, they're incredible. We have shimmering mother of pearl, and here are conus, turbo shells, and a stunning troca shell transformed into a bangle. So many treasures, and even more in this plastic bag, waiting to become something amazing. And over here, we have these breathtaking necklaces. Each one is inspired by the tribal ceremonial necklaces of Papua New Guinea. Such a beautiful blend of culture and craftsmanship. And see this circular design on the wall? It's actually just an ornament, but it follows the same theme. A tribute to the Papua New Guinea ceremonial necklaces. Such a perfect blend of tradition and creativity. But you know what's truly amazing? It's the contrast. These luxurious, intricate pieces are crafted right here, in this humble, simple space. No fancy tools, no modern machinery, just a bare floor, basic tools, and an ocean of love. Every single shell here is carefully chosen, gently cleaned, perfectly polished, and then arranged with so much care. It's all done by hand, with patience, skill, and so much heart. You can feel the love and tradition in every piece. It's beautiful. It's authentic. It's real. And just look over here. Oh my goodness, there are even more incredible designs, each one beautifully adorned with seashells. Every piece is a tiny masterpiece. And some are even made from wood, beautifully combined with shells. And yes, even these are works of art, perfect for wall decor. Oh, and there's even more. This section is filled with charming basic necklaces, adorable keychains, and creative ornaments. So, that's the tour. I hope you found this place as magical and inspiring as I did. It's such a beautiful reminder that luxury isn't about where something is made, but how it's made, and the story behind it. Let me know what you think in the comments. Would you wear one of these incredible pieces? I can't wait to hear your thoughts. Thanks for joining me, and I'll see you in the next adventure.